All right, so in this video, I'm actually going to do a really big thank you to every subscriber that I have on this YouTube channel. This channel I started seriously about 3.5 to 4 years ago. I had realized that there was a lot of people like myself who could benefit from a lot of the experience and knowledge that I have in the food industry and the food business. And starting my own business about 14 years ago, it was about taking a huge risk, a huge gamble in starting my own food business, which is something I did out of necessity because I was unemployed. And my wife and I were both actually unemployed at the same time. But all of that experience and knowledge turned into something that was much more beneficial for something that I had never thought would get to be as big as it was. I was hoping that it would, but I never realized the amount of people that I would be able to actually reach out to here on YouTube. And we just surpassed our 100,000th subscriber. We got our play button. So this video is really a huge thank you for all of you who've been part of this journey in creating this channel. Here is my YouTube play button, which I just got literally 2 days ago to celebrate 100,000 plus subscribers here on YouTube. So I wanted to just reach out to everybody and truly say thank you. We have reached 50 plus countries with our channel. We average almost 180,000 views a month on our channel here. And we have had the biggest opportunity of all of this was the chance to reach people here on YouTube and have the ability to consult with them. And I've consulted with many clients over the past 4 years or so that we've offered our consulting, and that's exceeded over 700 small food businesses here on YouTube that we've actually been able to connect with through this medium of video and helping out everybody that is like you that are watching. But this video in particular is just really short and sweet, and a huge thank you from myself and my wife, having the opportunity to reach so many people and help them understand the ins and outs of the food industry and the food business world, and relaying some of my experience as much as I could to you guys here on YouTube. So we've actually produced over 900 plus videos, and we have nearly 6 million, almost 6 million views here on this channel, which has far exceeded much of what I thought would happen in such a short period of time. So having an opportunity to create videos and reach out to people like you and having you subscribe means much more than just simply watching a video and moving on. But having you stick around for additional videos and more content means a lot to us. So huge thank you again. We have surpassed 100,000 subscribers, and all of you guys, I sincerely appreciate that. And all the comments that you guys had and questions over the past few years for us here on YouTube channel, which inspired me to launch 3 more channels dedicated solely to other food industries specifically. So stay tuned. We do still have a lot more content that we're going to be putting out here on YouTube, but I did want to take just a moment to say just a big thank you, sincere thank you. So I'll see you guys on our next video.